I want to quickly show you Visor. Um, so it's a built-in debugger in each Deta Micro. When you deploy your code to Deta Micro, you can use it to debug all the requests you're getting. So for example, on the left side, I have this fast API deployed um, on this program, on this micro called mail thing. So it's live. And for example, if I want to test it, so here I can see we have many multiple methods. So we have get root and then get post users, get slash users, etc. So let me show you how this works. So for example, let's test the first method. Um, you click on HP client, and then you can see here we have this small window where you can enter your request parameters. So in this case, we just want to get the root method. So if we send request, we can see we're getting it here. And for example, if we change the code and it auto deploys, and I try to close this, one thing I could do, I could replay request. So I just sent this request a few seconds ago. Now I can replay it. So I clicked here, and then I got a new request here with a new modified response. So this is one thing you could do. So you could send new requests using this window. You could replay requests using this button, but also you could edit requests. Uh, so one idea you could do is, let's convert this to a post request. So I can select post, and then let's save a user. So post slash users, and then in the body field, I can say I want to save a user. So the payload schema is here. So we need name, age, and hometown. So name, provide an age, and then hometown, home. Okay, so we'll send this as a post request, and then we see we get 201 as expected. So this method returns 201, and we get the response back. So we can also see the request itself, which is here. So this is what we sent. We see the headers. Not sure if we have some authentication tokens there, so I'm not going to show it. We also see if there's any error, if there's any, maybe I can show it in a bit. If there's any print. So for example, let's actually print something here. So print hello there, and deploy it. So now if we replay this, sorry, if I go to logs, it says hello there. And actually, let's maybe do like something like this, where it will have syntax error and replay. Okay, so we can see here there's some syntax error, and we have this new tab called errors. Of course, the response is null, but we see the request, we see the error. We could go fix it, and once it's deployed, we can replay it again, and we should get yeah. So now it worked. So let's actually use kind of this same request as a template to edit this request. So it's very simple to do, and yeah. So we have also other methods you can choose from. You can change the payload and the headers. You can change the content type, and another cool thing is that this is real time. Even so if I open this outside, it should also work. Let me show you. I just need to disable authentication. So data auth disable to be able to open it outside in the browser. So now if I copy this link, let's open Safari and paste it here. So now you will see that we got this in real time. So it's asking for the favicon, which we don't have. But yeah, so you can see here. It updates in real time, so I can see if there's anything wrong and edit it. So for example, this is really useful if you're developing webhooks, something like this. Yeah, that's like a quick overview on how to use the visor that ships with every micro, and it's enabled by default. Actually, one quick thing to get it to access it, you need to type data or data zoom in data visor open, and you hit enter, and then you will land on this page. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.